guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be doing a quick unboxing slash review of the Tribe beauty box this month. Now this is a bi-monthly makeup subscription and it's like $40. It's like $35 but with tax every 2 months. So it's not every month, it's just every other month. I will leave the prices and everything down below because I never remember them. But I want to unbox it with you and let you know my thoughts on the products because I did use them on my face today besides one product. And with that being said, let's get on with the video. If you are new here, I just want to say hi, my name is Victoria and I'm so grateful that you decided to click this video and give it a watch, and I hope you stay for a while and subscribe and put that notification bell on. And now let's go. As mentioned before, the prices of the Tribe beauty box, where you could sign up at, and everything that was in this box will be listed down below. I'm kind of in a rush. I have my 2 oldest sons here and they keep walking in and out, so I'm trying to hurry this up. But I will tell you the prices of the items. So if you don't know, Tribe is a bi-monthly makeup subscription. It sends you 5 to 6, maybe sometimes 7 full-size beauty products. But one thing I really like about it is the fact that they send items from women-owned brands. So all the brands that they send you are indie brands and other stuff like that, but they are owned by women. So I really do like that. The first thing that was in the box is this Priming is Everything Neutral Eye Primer from The Balm. I never seen this before. This retails for $12. I did use it today, and to be honest with you, I ended up wiping the eye look off and starting over. I don't know if it was because of this that made my eye look patchy or the palette that I'm going to show you. I honestly think it was this, because when I took it off and did it again, it was not patchy at all. But I feel like this is a gimmicky product. Like, I don't understand why would they put it like this. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm going to keep on trying it. Honestly, I probably just try to use it just because it's in my collection. I'm going to try it again with like a neutral eye look. Maybe it doesn't work good with bright colors, but I honestly think it was this product that made the eyeshadow patchy, and I don't know if I like it. So the next thing was actually something that I could pick, and this was the first time that Tribe Beauty let me pick what I wanted, and it was this Ruby May Cosmetics Bright Palette. Now there was 2 other palettes that you could pick from, but I chose this one because this is how it looks. I did use this on my eyes today. I have this blue right here as well as this light blue, and then of course this like yellowish goldish color. Those are the only shades that I actually used today. I will put in the clip of me using it and showing you how patchy it got, which made me believe that it was the eyeshadow primer, because I ended up wiping it off and using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance and it looks perfectly fine. So as of right now, I do like this palette. I think it's easy to work with. The blues was really nice, as well as this gold shimmer shade, and this retails for $24.99. I do think it's worth it. I mean, it has 8 shadows. The pans are pretty decent size. I personally wouldn't pay $25 for it, but that's just because I'm kind of really cheap. Sometimes, because sometimes I will spend the money on a palette. So the next item is this Cosmetics Luxe Lip Treatment. I'm guessing it's like a lip gloss, lip treatment, whatever. This is the one product I did not try. This retails for $17.99 and this is what it looks like. It looks really pretty, but honestly I have enough lip glosses, lip treatments, whatever you want to call it. So I decided that I'm gonna put this aside for a future giveaway. It was no point in only using it for one video, and honestly if I would have knew that I wouldn't really like this, I would have did the same thing. But I wanted to try out as many products as possible. So this item I did not try out, but it will be in a future giveaway, whether it's on YouTube, if I will ever hit 1K subscribers, or if it's on Instagram. I usually do my giveaways on Instagram. So with that being said, I can't tell you my thoughts on this, but it does look nice. So the next thing is from Cargo, and it is a blush. I did use this blush on my face today, and honestly I felt like it was a bit too much, that I had to go in with a pressed setting powder over it, because I felt like all I did was dab the brush in a little bit and it really went on. I mean, I don't know, maybe I was just overreacting, but I really saw it on the viewfinder earlier. But this is what it looks like. It's a real pretty blush. I mean, I do think this is a good blush, and this retails for $26, and I know it's going to last forever because all I did was dab dab. Didn't swirl it, didn't do anything, I just dab dab. So the last thing that we got in this box, I was really, first off, I don't like this item, and I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to try to include the footage that I have of trying this product, but it's the Cosmetics setting spray. This is a HD setting spray that retails for $30. $30 for this small little setting spray is ridiculous. I honestly feel like, I think this sucks. Like when I sprayed it, it just shot at my face. Like I got so scared that my face would look like it had little droplets, like my makeup will fade, and I just started fanning it really quickly. This, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I don't like it. I could only see myself using this for like my eyeshadows, which I already have so much that I just use for eyeshadows, so it kind of sucks. But $30 for this little thing. You could go right to the store and get NYX setting spray for like $8, and it's the same size, literally the same size. I just think $30 is a bit too much. So that is it, guys. I know this is like a quick video, but as I mentioned before, I'm trying to film quick videos. Okay, my thoughts on the opinions. This I'm gonna keep testing out, but off the back, first impressions, I don't like it. This I'm gonna keep trying to use as well, but I do like this. When I took that primer off, it worked really well. I do want to try to use this purple shade right here, as well as this pink and even the orange. So I'm gonna keep on playing with this, but so far this is a yes. This setting spray, no honey, no. Don't even do it to yourself. Don't even do it. And the blush is pretty good. Hopefully I reach for it again. I love the packaging. It's totally different. Alright guys, so that is it. That is going to go ahead and complete this unboxing slash review. I will leave the total amount of the box on the screen. So that is it. That's going to go ahead and complete this video. Let me know your thoughts on the products. If you get Tribe Beauty, if you tried anything from Tribe Beauty, and with that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.